Christine here, and today I'll be showing you a day in the life of a UKCBC. My classes usually start at 9 a.m., so I like to prepare my workspace before anything else. Even though our classes are currently online, we still attend lectures and go through course materials with our lecturer. After lectures, I usually spend time working on assignments and reviewing course materials. And of course, coffee breaks are essential to survive college life. Right now, we're doing distance learning due to the situation in the UAE, but we're still staying connected with our lecturers and classmates online. So that's a quick look of a day in the life as a UKCBC student. Thank you for watching!